company. And Mococo was like, what the heck? No, I'm going to bed. I'm going to sleep. No. No. The moment that I was like, okay, well, I gotta play Lethal Company on my own then. Did you? I did. I did. And like, I don't know how to use. I don't know anything because usually I never play Lethal Company. I just know it. I didn't know that you play Lethal Company. I did. Oh my! Oh, that's how asleep I was. But the last time I didn't even make it into the place. So. Now I remember. Now I remember what I fell asleep to. I wanted Fuwawa to come in and turn on the air conditioning. Turn off the air conditioning. It was too cold, and I couldn't reach the controller, and I was already in bed and all comfy. And you said you would not come over. You said just reach it. I can't reach it. I'm in the other room. I'm not planning to go there for a little bit because I'm gonna play Lethal Company. It was too cold. It was blowing right on me. I had to be all bundled up. Which you just gotta go move a foot over. No. Grab the remote was too far away. So you're gonna make me stop while I'm playing Lethal Company in a different room and come all the way over. Yes, I was comfy. No. Yeah.